Hello and welcome to CoinLex. Today we are going to learn how to use Ichimoku indicator. What is Ichimoku? Ichimoku is technical analysis method, which means equilibrium chart overview in Japanese. Created by Japanese journalist named Goichi Hoseda in late 1930s. But why is that important and how can we use it? This method, which includes many technical analysis tools, is a momentum indicator that helps in determining support, resistance and trends. And in this video, I will explain to you how you can use it and how you can make successful trades with it. If you look at the Ichimoku indicator, you will see a lot of complex lines. These contain different parameters obtained by the price going back and forth. They give a wide variety of signals about buying or selling. But once you understand it, it won't be hard at all. So I am covering all the pieces to keep it simple, except conversion line and baseline. Conversion line, which is also known Tenkan-sen, and baseline, which is also known Kyujin-sen. Conversion line uses 9-day EMA and shows us a short-term trend. Baseline uses 26-day EMA and shows us a long-term trend. And combining with those two lines, if the conversion line crosses below the baseline, you can take a short position. And again, combining with those two lines, if the conversion line crosses above the baseline, you can take a long position. Now, let's take a look at these two lines. The combination of these two lines creates the Ichimoku Cloud. The line known as a Senkou span A, obtained by shift the Tenkan-sen and Kyujin-sen averages forward by 26 period, and known as Senkou span B, obtained by shifting the 52 period moving average forward by 26 period. What can we do with Ichimoku Cloud? The Ichimoku Cloud gives us information about whether the trend is going up or going down. Now let's look at on the examples. If the price going up, the cloud will follow in the same direction. The color of the cloud can also tell us about many things. If Senkou A crosses above Senkou B, the cloud will be green. This information shows us that the price strongly going upwards. And if Senkou A cuts below Senkou B, the cloud will be red. This information shows us the price strongly bearish. Now, Ichimoku Cloud has some rules. If the candles are above the cloud, you will only get long signals. If the candles are below the cloud, you will only get short signals. And the most important rule, if the candles inside of the clouds, you will not take positions. Now let's combine all of them. If candles are above the clouds and conversion line crosses above the baseline, we can take a long position. If the candles are below the clouds and the conversion line crosses below the baseline, we can take a short position. And always be careful, do not take trades when the candles are inside of the cloud. And for the last one, Ichimoku indicator has lagging span. Some traders are using it, some of them not. You can confirm your trend with lagging span as well. For example, let's say you have an upward signal on Ichimoku. Lagging span can confirm for you it's a strong upward signal. And it's the same with downward trending. You can predict your stop loss with using Ichimoku indicator as well. Now let's say you saw this signal and take a long position in here. You can set your stop loss with using Ichimoku Cloud. When the price hits here, your stop loss will be active. Now let's take a look at what techniques we can apply with the Ichimoku indicator. With using conversion line and baseline crosses, we can decide our long and short positions. Also, using the Ichimoku Cloud, we can detect whether the trend is up or down. We can also use the lagging span to control the trend for the second time. And do not forget, your position should not be taken only according to this indicator. It should be supported using other technical analysis tools to minimize your risk. Let me show you in one example. In this example, I will use the Ichimoku indicator to find the trend, and I will also use the parabolic SAR to determine the entry point. As you can see, our candle above the Ichimoku Cloud, that means we have an uptrend. Also in here, conversion line cross above the baseline, that means we can take a long position. Now I will look at the exchange sites in the parabolic SAR for my entry point. In this chart, we can clearly see the exchanges. And the parabolic SAR also confirmed that the price is going upwards. If we take our long position in here, you can see it's a successful trade. To avoid missing signals and to get easily Ichimoku detections, you can create an alarm or custom signals on CoinLegs. You can also use our application to avoid these alarms you created when you are not at your computer. Or you can use our auto trading solution on LegsBot without needing anything. CoinLegs, learn and earn. Thank you for watching us. See you next time.